Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Cash App for business payments and deposits. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Cash App for business payments and deposits, start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. Enter your email address or phone number to receive a verification code. Once you verify your account, link your debit card or bank account for transactions. Tap on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the option that says Personal and switch it to Business. You will then be prompted to enter your business details, such as your business name and type. Fill in your federal tax identification number if applicable. Once all details are entered, save your changes. Next, navigate to the Cash for Business option to set up your business account. Enable notifications to stay updated on payments received. Set up a unique QR code for easy payments from customers. To accept payments, use your Cash App customer list. Inform your customers of their payment options through Cash App. Remember to regularly check your Cash App for incoming payments and deposits. Keep your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication. Explore additional features within the app to manage your business effectively. Your Cash App account is now ready for business payments and deposits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.